When I tell y'all, ain't nobody got time for this. So I braided my hair down yesterday in hopes to put on a wig for this weekend because I got a lot to do. And I purchased a lot of wigs over the last a few years. Yes, I said years because I don't know how to put wigs on. But my son got a football game tonight, so I can't go to his game showing up like this. He is in high school, so I cannot be embarrassing him. So let me see what I got in here. So I go into my first bag and then I thought it was a wig. Oh, it is a wig. Hold on. This is the one I think I got from Amazon. I purchased it for a trip last year and never wore it. Yeah, I do gotta smell it and see what it smell like. You know, this hair be having certain kind of smells when you get them. So y'all, I don't know how to put on wigs. I don't know how to apply wig. Yes, I do know that I need to put a stocking cap on, and I will. For now, let's see what wig I'm gonna choose. So this is the one I purchased off of Amazon about a year ago, and I never wore it. And it has a few clips in it, and then also elastic band. And look at that. So I don't think this supposed to be like that. So look, right here, as you can see through the daggone elastic band, it came through the hole of the other side. I'm getting ready to show y'all. So it came through the actual hole. I don't even know where you clip this thing at, but I'm gonna figure it out. So I'm assuming that you just clip it on like the other side is clipped on. But when I looked at the other side, it was actually came through the actual hole of the actual band. So let's put this on, see what see what it's hitting for. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I have no idea what I'm doing. You see that? There's a hole I was telling y'all about. It's through the actual band. So I don't know if that's how that's supposed to go or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it back through there. I mean around it. And then I'm gonna put this on and see what this yeah. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? I didn't know I was going to have to. I thought it said it came pre-plucked and it came with the daggone lace cut off. And as you can see, the lace is not cut off. So now I'm going to have to be the one to jack myself up and cut the lace off. What I do like about this hair is extremely soft. It's extremely soft. But it looks to be a little thin. But y'all, I don't know. But I'm going to try to play around with it a little bit. Ouch. Ouch and ouch. Yeah. So I'm going to comb this out a little bit. It feels really good and it's very lightweight, so I don't think it's going to be too heavy on my head. But I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? I don't know about this. But let's move on to the next one. So this is another wig I purchased. Now, I bought this one probably a good 4 or 5 years ago off Amazon. Don't judge me. It's supposed to be 100% human hair. And I wanted to try something different. And I've never taken it out of the package, so I don't know exactly what it looks like. I just know it's supposed to be like a blonde, dark blonde, and like some kind of... Oh, y'all, wait till y'all see this. So this is what it comes with: the elastic bands, some more wig caps, and also some lashes. That's cute or whatever. But this color, oh no. My skin tone, I can't handle this. I've never had my hair that bleached. Now, I've had crazy colors before, like purple, blue, and stuff like that. But look how light this is. Absolutely not. I cannot show up to my son game looking like this either. Look at that. That is way too light. You know what? This hair feel really good, so I might not get rid of it, though. Let's try it on, see what it look like. And what was I thinking? Like, am I Tina? Is this Tina? Tina Turner. That is too light for me. And then look how it's cut. I don't know, y'all. I might be able to do something with it down the line. I might have to go in and I don't know what color. I might dye it, though. I might dye because it does feel really soft and it feels good. Maybe it's supposed to be like an angled bob or something. And I probably ain't even got it on right. But yeah, I ain't got time for this. So we going to have to just figure it out later. But I really like the way that this feels, considering I did purchase this off Amazon. It's very soft and flowy. I don't know how long that's going to last. But I don't know. It's kind of giving. It's kind of giving. So what y'all think about this wig color? It's cute, but I need more of the dark in there because it's too light for me. I mean, it is fall, but hey, let's go on to the next one. So this very last week, I'm getting ready to try on. Hold on, because I be just putting stuff in any kind of bags, as y'all can see. Nope, this is not a wig. These are actual bundles. Nope, put this back. That ain't what I was looking for. Okay. So this very last wig, y'all, I bought this as my very first. It was a synthetic human hair blend. I bought this probably 2 years ago. And look, it's kind of like stiff like Cheetos. Let me comb through this because this is embarrassing, but I really liked this wig, y'all, for what I paid for it. And for it was my very, very first wig, y'all, because I wanted to start out with a cheap wig to see how I would do with it before purchasing a real wigs, you know, because real wigs can get expensive. So I was like, let me try this out first. And considering I bought this like 3-4 years ago, y'all, it still looks pretty good. And I didn't even pay that much for it. It's a synthetic human blend. And I think this might be the one that I go with for today, but I don't know. So let me put this on. I mean, I already know how this one fit, but let me go ahead and just try it on again. And we gonna see. And now this one is easy for me, y'all. Because again, I am a beginner and I don't know how to apply wigs. Like I absolutely had to do nothing to this wig when I bought it, y'all. I literally, as you can see, it very snug and tight. I don't remember if it has combs in it or not. But the only thing that I have to complain about this wig is, as you can see, like the ends, they could be a little more fuller at the very ends because it's kind of giving see-through. But ain't nothing a flat iron and a few little scissor trims can't fix. And I really like this wig because I really love straight hair. But as y'all can see, like I don't have to do much of nothing to this wig. I didn't have to take the lace off or anything like that. The only thing I don't like is like if you look at the front of the hairline, you can like really tell it's a wig. It's not horrible, but shoot, girl, all you got to do is put a cute scarf on with some bling. Like it's really not that difficult to cover up. Put a scarf on, a headband or something like that. Who's going to be paying that much attention? I'm just trying to make it through today and through this weekend since I got to go to work. And I can't be walking around with these braids in my head, you know, dealing with my hair. I have a lot of hair and I am 100% natural. And it's just a lot to deal with. So your girl is just looking for something simple today. And yeah, I'm going to play around with it a little bit. So this is part 1. I don't know which wig I'm going to choose. It's probably going to most likely be this one. But y'all, stay tuned. Stay tuned to see what wig I actually chose and what I'm going to do with it. And if you need to learn how to put your wig on, please don't watch my video and look for any type of tips or tricks because I don't have them. I'll see you guys in the next video for part 2. Bye.